How are you guys doing? My name is Kevin and today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki meatballs. Now this recipe is crazy simple. It only involves 3 things. So if you need to bring something to a party,
I like to party.
this is the perfect recipe for you. We're going to start off with taking just 30 frozen meatballs, toss those into the crock pot. Next, we're going to take half a cup of teriyaki sauce. Today I'm going to use this sesame teriyaki sauce, pour it over the top of the meatballs. All right, and we're already on our final step. We're going to take 1 1/2 cups of pineapple juice and just pour that right into the pot. All right, put the top on. Crank that thing to high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Just walk away, and in a few hours, you'll have some perfect meatballs to take to your party.
I like to party.
Hope you guys like this super simple recipe, and I will see you guys next time.